I'm going to show you how to hide likes count on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy, and be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, when you scroll down, you could see each likes and reactions has the number of counts attached to it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to take this off. Navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Proceed to tap on settings. On this interface, scroll down until you locate reaction preferences and tap on it. Then you have the option to hide number of reaction both on posts from others and on your post. So all we have to do is to navigate beside it and toggle this on, which is the option to hide the number of reactions on your posts. And for those of others, all we have to do is to also toggle this on, and that's it. You have successfully hide likes count on Facebook. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.